Hello everyone, welcome back to Take It Simple. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix Messenger when you are receiving a late notification in it. Keep watching the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the notification bell icon so that you'll never miss another update from us. If you are receiving late notifications on your Facebook Messenger, then it can be pretty much annoying. If you want to solve the issue, first, make sure that you have updated your Android device or your iOS device to its latest version. Go to Settings from your phone and scroll all the way down until you find the Software Update button. Tap it on and check if there is any update for your software available on this page. Tap on Download and Install and your phone is now checking for updates. If there is any available, simply go ahead and update your software to its latest version. And once you are done, go back to Messenger and see if that fixes your issue. If it does not fix the issue yet, the next thing to do is to go to your settings, and from your settings page, go to apps from the list of the applications that are installed on your device. Search for Messenger and tap it on from the app info page. Tap on the battery option, tap on allow background activity for your Messenger and go back to your Facebook Messenger and see if that fixes your issue. Those are some of the fixes that you can try out whenever you're having a problem with your Facebook Messenger and you are receiving late notifications. So, in order to solve the issue, you can try out these fixes. I hope you found the video useful. If you did, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Feel free to comment down below in the comment box if you have a question or feedback. I'll be back soon with more tutorial episodes again. Thank you for watching.